Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on CodeGoTown. In this video, we're going to be learning about the pen block in Scratch. The pen block allows you to draw in Scratch without actually making any sprites. And basically what it does is that you can make this Scratch cat draw like a trail, and this can be used for a lot of things, and it's really useful. So let's get started on how to use the pen block, and let's dive in. Now the first thing we want to do is make a new file. I made one and I'm going to call it pen tutorial. You guys can call it whatever you want. Now let's make the Arnold block's called the pen block in the editor, so we have to add it from the extension menu. To do that, just go to this blue button on the bottom of the tabs. Here you can see the pen extension. Just click on it, and here you would see the pen tab, and here are all the pen blocks that you can use. Now, let's get started on a small example with the pen block. To do this, first let's get the one flag click block from the events menu. Then we can get the forever block from the control menu. Then we can get the go to block and put it to mouse pointer, so the cat will basically just follow the mouse. And then we can go to the pen block, the pen tab, and then we can get the pen down block. Basically, what this will do is that first the cat will basically follow your mouse, and the pen down means that it will activate the pen like you have the pen down on a piece of paper. If you put the pen up, that means the pen won't draw, like you have the pen up on a piece of paper. So let's try this. Now as you can see, if you move the mouse, a trail will be formed, and which is default, and the color is defaulted to blue, and you can draw some things. Now that's good, but the problem with this is that if we press that if we press the flag again, it won't stop. It won't clear the drawing that you made. So you're basically just stuck with this. To fix that, we can get the erase all block and put it before the forever loop. Now, whenever you press the flag, everything will be erased, and so you can draw again. Like that. Okay, now, let's say we want to change the color of the pen. So here we can get the set pen color block, and we can set it to like red. Now let's try this again, and the color is red now. Now let's make things a little bit more fancier, and instead of getting the pen color block, we can get the change pen color block instead. So we can remove that, the set pen. Now, what it will do is that it will keep changing the colors kind of like a rainbow. Let's try that. And now you can see that the colors will change, and it's like multicolor. And that's good, but isn't the pen trail a little bit too thin? So to fix that, we can get the set pen size block from the menu. We can also put that below the erase block. Let's set it to 10. And let's restart it. Now the thing is so much more bigger. Now the problem with this is that you can't really stop drawing wherever the mouse is going, you have to kind of it will keep making a trail there. So you can't like stop drawing here, go here, and then draw again. To fix that, you have to do a little bit more coding. Now, we have to get the pen up block for sure. And let's go back and we can get the one space pressed. Now, you'll know that if the space key is pressed, then it will stop drawing. Now, currently it's set to pen down forever. So we also need to remove that. So the problem with this is that if we test it out, it would draw. If we let go of the space, if we press the space, it would stop drawing. Now that's good, but the problem with this is that we can't start drawing again. If we press space again, it won't draw. So I'm pressing space and it's not drawing. So now we need a way for it to find out if the space key is holded or not. To do that, what we can do is we can get an if-then block, and then we can get a something, and then we can get a space key press block, but then we need a not block. If it's like that, we can get the pen down block. So basically what's going on here is that it's still in the forever loop, and if the space key is not pressed, then the pen goes down. Let's try that now. Now I'm actually holding down on the space block. When I let go of it, you can draw again. So I can draw I can go here, make like a house, go down, and then do that, hold down space, and then there we have my little house that I made. Anyways, that's kind of good. Now, isn't the cat a little bit too big? Like, the cat is kind of annoying right now, and it would be much better if we don't see the cat. So let's just go to the looks block and hide the cat. Now we can just draw and without having the cat showing because we've hid the cat. Okay, now yeah, so I'll tell you guys one more thing in the pen block, and that's basically it for the video. Now, there's a block called the stamp block in the pen. Now, for the stamp block to work, we have to unhide the cat. So let's remove the hide block and show the cat. So now we have the cat. Now here, instead of putting the pen down, let's add the stamp block. Now, what this will do is that it'll kind of clone the cat so many times, so it leaves a trail of the cat itself. This is really funny to watch. So basically, look how it's making clones of the cat. And basically what it's doing is that it's basically just making clones and not making separate sprites. And which is kind of useful if you're making games that need this kind of feature. So guys, that's basically it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about the pen block, tell me in the comments below. And I have a challenge for you guys. And that is to make a drawing app like I have made here. I'll show you guys that. So this is my draw app that I made. And my challenge for you guys is to make an app like this. Some of the features aren't that good, like the color changing and the button pressing features. But other than that, it's a pretty functional drawing app. And yeah guys, so things you can do in this app is that you can kind of use the arrow keys to change the pen size, like that. You can click to draw, and you can change colors. And that's basically it. And oh yeah, and you can clear the workspace. So guys, that's my challenge for you guys. If you have done it, like share the project on Scratch and just comment down the link below on the comments. And that's all for today, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. And goodbye.